y'all? My name is Farrah. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are stormed for Halloween. I tried filming this last year, it didn't work out. I explained in further detail what happened, but really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. So to start off, I'm going to be doing my brows, and for that I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Granite using my Morphe M413 brush. I think I want strong brows for this look because it's very dramatic. Storm is a very dramatic girl. Okay, so the brows are filled, but I need more definition. So I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and Styler, I think that is called. Look at me, I have a great memory. Phenomenal memory. Okay, so I'm just going to brush my brows of where I want them to go. I've been growing them out simply because I bought a bunch of eyebrow razors, but I can't find them. So I'm gonna wait. And I don't have like a horrendous brow shape anyways, so it doesn't bother me. I have a great brow shape, to be honest. To conceal my brows, I am going to be taking two concealers of the same brand, obviously. It's going to be the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C13. I don't know if you can see that. C13 and C15. So 15 is going to go for above my brows, and then 13 is going to go under. So let me start off with 13 first. And to apply it, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. eyeliner brush. Oh, I'm a crackhead. I didn't prime my face. Why do I always forget to prime my face before I put on concealer? Let's see. So to prime my face, I'm going to be taking my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Matte Primer. I love it. It is the best dupe for Becca's Ever Matte Poreless Perfector. So great. And next, we are gonna dive into the base. Or should I do? Yeah, I'm gonna do my eyes first. So I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C12 this time. Ooh. And I'm gonna pop that all over my lid. We're not doing anything intricate on the eyes as of yet. I just want very seamless. It's gonna be messy, but it can be good put together. Yeah, that's the best I can explain it. Ew. Ooh, my lashes are growing. To blend it out, I'm using my Morphe M173 brush. So I'm going to start off Dumb Dark, which is, so I'm going to go into my Maybelline New York Eyestudio Gel Eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black. I'm just going to really, this brush isn't stiff enough. Maybe it is. Let's see. And I'm just going to apply it to like the base of my lid. Making sure it's close to my lash line. So I'm going to go into my box of Crayons palette from the crayon case, taking this dense brush from my Amazon brush set, and I'm going to go into the color Black. Ooh, maybe I should be using yeah, I should be using that brush. Okay, hold on. I'm just going to run this along the edges just to soften it. You don't have to be neat. I'm gonna go into the shade Wave Maker from the Morphe 35H palette using my Amazon fluffy brush, and I'm gonna use that to diffuse the edges of the black from the crayon case. Just blend blend, 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 blend. I'm gonna be taking my Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Toffee. Just a tiny bit, because the concealer is not really a big factor in this look. There we go. I'm gonna blend it out using my Real Techniques body sponge. So, face is all blended out. Now we have to continue the eyes. So I'm gonna be taking, if I could just find it, there we go. This is where the hard stuff starts to come in. But before we get into that, I'm gonna be taking my NYX retractable eyeliner in the shade Silver. I'm gonna run that along my waterline. I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Small Smudge Brush. I'm going to go back into the box of Crayons Palette. I'm going to run that under my waterline. I'm going to go back into my Morphe 35H palette, taking my Morphe M149 brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Wave Maker from earlier. And I'm just going to run that under the black. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. bronzing brush and I'm going to go in between. Well, actually, I'm gonna start off with black, just lightly, not too much, and I'm just gonna apply that under my eyes because I want to make like a cloud effect. Maybe I should use a stiffer brush. You know what this reminds me of? The Show 300. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this. Use the brush on the other side. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the tip of my nose. I'm not gonna bring it all the way over. I'm gonna go into the shade Alone Time from the Morphe 35H palette. It's a shimmery silver. I'm just going to dab this on top. I'm gonna set my face using MAC Fix Plus. Oops, spraying in the wrong direction. Just gonna let that rock for a bit. Let that soak in. Actually, I'm gonna highlight. So for highlighter, I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and I am gonna go into the shade Luna, which is this shade right here. It's very icy. I'm just gonna take the smallest amount. Itty bitty amount. Just gonna take the smallest amount and then just dust that. So I'm gonna take my NYX white liquid liner and we're going to create lightning bolts all through my eyeballs and on my cheeks. I have 2 white liners, so if this doesn't work out, I have another one for backup. I'm going to start in the middle of my eye, well, right under my eye, and just drag it down. I really like how that's starting to look already. I like how that's looking. I like how that's looking. I like how that's looking. And then I'm just gonna create another branch. Do they call it branches? I don't know what they call it. Do this. You don't really have to be neat. I'm loving how this looks against like the black and the wave maker. It looks sickening. It looks like it's like glowing on my face. On my face and on my eye face. I'm gonna take my It's My Ray by BH Cosmetics number 7 brush. I'm gonna go back into my Aurora Glow Kit, going into the shade Luna once again. And that's gonna be my brow bone highlight. So I'm gonna create lightning bolts from coming down from my brows onto my lids as well. But for that, so I have more control, I'm gonna be taking my Sephora Color Block Liner, felt liner in the shade Coconut. Again, starting from the middle. Actually, let's start from like a 4. Alright, so I don't have like a black lip liner, so I'm gonna use a eyeliner because why not? It's my face. Nobody else uses my makeup. So just gonna line my lips. Next, fill in my lips. I'm gonna be taking my Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick in the shade Kiss of Death. I hate the name. Hate the name. You definitely have to layer this on. Alright, and this is the final look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!